Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Technology Explorer. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can make this type of elbow in sheet metal in SolidWorks, and then I will also save all these bodies separately in my hard drive, and after that I will generate the DXF files for laser cutting or for development lengths, and then I will flatten this part. So keep watching this video till end. Okay, let's start. First of all, start from a new part and then click on front plane and then sketch on it. So in the beginning we have to draw two lines like this. Press escape button and then like this select both these lines and make them equal, and also construction geometry. Then define the angle of the elbow. Let's say I'm going to draw or make the elbow 120 degree. After that, draw a circle. This circle will basically define the radius of the elbow. So draw it and then select it, make it for construction geometry. After that, press and hold Control key from your keyboard and then select this line and this circle. Make their relation tangent. Same for this line, make their relation tangent. Now define the diameter of the circle. If you want to make the elbow at the radius of let's say 150 millimeter, so you have to define the diameter of this circle 300 millimeters. Now next step is that we have to define the accurate location of this center point. So for that, again draw a center line like this. Start it from here, then like this. Same for this side. Now select this line and this line, make their relation equal. So now you can see our sketch is fully defined. Now draw some lines, as we are going to make this elbow in sheet metal. So for that, select line from here and start drawing from the origin like this. Then press escape key. Now select this line and the circle, make their relation tangent. Similarly, select this line and the circle, make their relation tangent. And again select this line and the circle, make their relation tangent. Now select all these lines one by one and make their relation equal. So again our sketch is fully defined. Just save and exit from sketch mode by pressing this button. Now we have to draw a circle perpendicular to this line. So for that we have to find the plane. I think it's right plane. So on right plane, sketch on it and then draw a circle. Now after that, define the diameter of the circle. This is the basically diameter of the elbow. Let's say it's 60 millimeter. Then go to Features tab, select Swept Boss Base command, and then select this circle as a profile and then this line as a path. Then press OK button. The 120 degree angle, this angle, and the diameter of the circle was the radius of the elbow. So now we have to use shell command instead of swept cut command. So select shell command from here and in the parameters type the thickness of the sheet. So let's say it's 1 millimeter. Then select both these faces and then press OK button. Okay, next step is that we have to make a cut for sheet metal. So for that, again click on front plane and then sketch on it. Make normal to by pressing Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard and then draw a sketch like this. Go to features and from here select extruded cut command. Here you can see the cut thickness should be 0.5 mm and drop down this menu and from here select mid plane. and then press OK button. Next step is that we have to separately save all these parts. So for that, in the direct editing tab, the command split is used. So to use split command, we must have to save this part in our hard drive. For that, Control plus S to save this part, then define the location, and then make a new folder, sheet metal. So in the sheet metal, name this part as a main part, and then save. Now again on the front plane, sketch on it, make normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8 key from your keyboard, and then draw some lines like this. Now press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select this line and this line. Make their relation collinear. Same for both these lines. Now go to direct editing tab. If you do not have this direct editing tab in your SolidWorks, then right click somewhere here like features, and then from here select direct editing. So now in the direct editing, select split command. Sketch has been selected automatically, and then select cut part. So these are total 4 bodies which have been generated automatically. So if you want to name them automatically, so then click auto assign names, or if you want to name them individually one by one, then just double click on one by one all these bodies and then save them individually. Now what we have to do, we have to click on OK button. So now we have saved all these parts one by one in our hard drive. Now we can open that folder where we have saved these files. Here you can see body 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this is the main part. So let's say I'm going to open body 2. So here you can see this is the body 2. If you want to save the sheet metal part as a DXF file for laser cutting, for that we have to go through the sheet metal tab here, and then we have to insert bands. In the insert bands, select the fixed entity or like this edge, and then band radius. This is the circle, and in the circle there is no band like other sheet metal parts, so this does not matters. Then leave the K factor as it is, and then press OK button. Click on flatten, and here is the development of the sheet metal. Now you can save this part as a DXF or a DWG file for laser cutting. Select save as. Now from here, save as type, select DXF, then click save button, then press OK button. Here is the preview of our DXF. Just save. Now I have laser cutting software here, and I will show you how you can import that DXF in the laser cutting software. So Control plus I for import, then select and then open. Here is the sketch for laser cutting. So click on start for laser cutting, and if you have to define the settings of the laser cutting, then you can define them here.